Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I have a big update for you about the Sonic project. This opportunity is only available for 6 days, with a snapshot happening on January 6th and an official listing on Bybit, OKX, and BitGet on January 9th. So, don't miss out, join us now. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated on the most promising upcoming projects. I've already made a video introducing the Sonic project, so feel free to check it out to learn more. Today, let's dive straight into the event. First, access the link provided in the description of this video. Then, log in using your TikTok account. Once logged in successfully, you'll be redirected to the Task Earn section. Here, complete the tasks provided, such as following the project's TikTok page, and requesting an airdrop from the Sonic faucet. There are other simple tasks as well, so make sure to complete them. Switch to the Home tab to start playing and earning points. Each day, you can earn 1.000 points by clicking the Sonic button. Additionally, share your referral link with friends to earn 2.000 points from the project. That's a quick guide to participating in Sonic's minigame. Act fast and join now. Wishing you success in earning lots of rewards from this project. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye and see you in the next project.